Hello everyone, my name is John and I'm the Science Educator for Children's Museum Houston. And today we are going to do a little experiment just using a plastic baggie filled with water and some sharpened pencils, and we're actually going to poke them through the bag without it leaking. Let's get started. Once you have your full plastic baggie and sharp pencils and adult supervision, you can start pushing the sharp pencils into and through the plastic baggie. Now, why isn't it leaking once you've pushed it all the way through? The plastic baggie that you use is typically made of a polymer called low-density polyethylene. This is a low-cost, lightweight, durable plastic that is very flexible. You can think of polyethylene molecules as long strands of freshly cooked spaghetti. The tip of the sharp pencil can easily slip between and push apart the flexible strands of spaghetti, but the strand's flexible property helps to form a temporary seal against the edge of the pencil. Now, what happens if we pull the pencils out? Is it still leak-proof? Thank you all for joining me today to learn about the leak-proof bag. If you guys enjoyed this content, please hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel to get all of the daily content that's coming out from Children's Museum Houston. My name is John, coming to you from Children's Museum Houston, and we'll see you next time. Bye!